was fun to have this moment to speak on this topic involving the youth, and I would love to see more opportunities like this in the future.
It was a really good experience. I'm really thankful to them.
I'm really thankful to Think Tide for letting me speak.
It was new, exciting, different. So yeah, I got to learn a lot more things.
I really enjoyed the whole program. So thanks to all them.
The session was really informative and I got to learn many